ESD, Electrostatic Discharge, vinyl flooring tiles are specifically designed to control static electricity, with the primary function of creating a pathway for static electricity to flow into the ground. It's homogeneous and durable. Shade variation in conductive vinyl tiles. The shades of tile are the combination of visual characteristics of the tile surface, including its color and the distribution pattern of color over the tile surface. There can be slight variation in shade from batch to batch due to PVC properties and limitations of the manufacturing process. Installation is to be carried out considering this. Before installing the tiles on the floor, we recommend randomly selecting tiles from different boxes and checking the shade variation on arrival. Scratches in ESD flooring tiles. Scratches can occur on the surface because the tiles are produced without any protective finish or surface treatment. The scratches look more obvious on special color models than on normal color ones, and it requires more effect on the later maintenance of special color models. We recommend choosing normal color models, Y.H.F 1801, Y.H.F 1802, Y.H.F 1812, and Y.H.F 1830. Especially for large-size room spaces and projects. ESD waxing in anti-static flooring tiles. ESD waxing helps to protect it and maintain it for a longer usage time. Meanwhile, after waxing, the scratches will be very minor, hardly noticeable. We recommend applying ESD waxing after installation of static tiles, so the shade variation can be improved and scratches are minimized. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.